Guess not.
It's a sponge reinforced smear. To get sound from it, you have to really just give it a good lick. You have the delayed touch.
Yes. That's what I've been told most of my life.
All right. Can you dance?
Listen to these taps.
Let me put some proper tapping shoes on those feet.
These will make really loud clicking noises, just like you do in your videos.
They should. They should.
I've never felt so alive.
Believe me, you'll feel even more alive. Listen to everything my feet can do. Stick with me and I shall teach you that and more. I shall even teach you how to get this sound out of your feet.
You mean like this?
Quieter, yes, but close. Yeah, let's see what kind of sound you can make out here on the gravel, outside my shop. There are some things I will never share with you, student. There are some things which must be left alone.
Let me turn on the music.
Ganesha. Here's some peanuts. I know how much you love to crunch on peanuts. Go stomp on that car over there. He's on the car.
I'm locking you out of your own studio.
Click.
Stop leaning on the door. You'll break the glass. I told you!
You said it was sponge reinforced.
The mirror is, not the glass! Ugh.
You're light and flexible.
You have to be a dancer of my quality. Believe me, you are the worst student I've ever had for 5 minutes.
Master, will you teach me to do the splits?
I'll teach you how to split out of my joint. Oh, that was such a hideous sound. Oh.
You know, I'm starting to think that coming to a dance instructor that advertises only in the penny saver wasn't such a good idea.
Maybe you would have better ideas, student that once was but now is no more.
Well, the first thing I'd do is I'd get rid of these whoopee cushions. I mean, instead of making tap noises, it makes tooting noises. Watch.
Those are there to cover up for a much deeper secret. report, student. It's under my pants.